Enjoy creating delicious meals for friends and family with this built-in double oven from Hotpoint, which has innovative features for effortless results. It has a large 74-litre capacity in the main oven and a medium-sized 42-litre capacity in the second oven. The main cavity also works as an electric fan oven, so you'll be able to prepare delicious dinners without fuss. Hotpoint's fantastic Set and Go feature allows you to program the oven to switch off automatically once it's finished cooking. Simply set the desired time by using the plus and minus buttons on the control panel. The oven will then turn itself off once your food is done, and an acoustic alarm will alert you. So, your food is never overcooked and will always be done to perfection. Cleaning is effortless thanks to the special coating on the inside of this model. The oven cavities are covered in grease-proof enamel, which stops food from sticking, so it can simply be wiped away with a cloth. This means your oven is really easy to maintain and you'll save time on cleaning. If you're looking for an oven with innovative features to help you create delicious meals for friends and family, this built-in double oven from Hotpoint is an excellent choice.